Thursday, 8:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Natural Bridge, or near Glasgow, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Buena Vista, Glasgow, Natural Bridge, and Orinoco. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service.
Why can you turn this off? Why are you able to turn this off?
4324.
Why are you able to turn that alert off?
Also be shared on the National Weather
should
Service
not be able to turn off that
Facebook
alert.
page and on Twitter.
Hey, but all the WR100s are off, so that's good.
Blacksburg has
But
issued a severe
why
thunderstorm warning
can you
for
turn
the
off
city of the
civil emergency message?
Virginia, southwestern
Alright, hold on.
Central Virginia,
Hold on. Okay, let me rant here. So, I'm just scrolling to see if SVR is on. So we can go over the alerts, right? No! So I go to edit alerts and I see the craziest thing. You can what? Don't easier interrupt me. Naughty! While I'm ranting. Why can you turn off civil danger warning? Why? You can't even turn it off with the alert works, the WR100 and 300, 120. I mean, you can't even change it. You can't even edit alerts on this thing because it's old. But why? Accurate. Why are you able to turn off civil danger warning? What is that? That's all the ranting I'm gonna do. So then go off. Shut up! Imagine if severe thunderstorm was turned off.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Chipley, Harrington, Livingston, Bryant, Jonesboro, Rosewood, Alma, Massacville, Rock Station, and Piney River. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The National Weather Service.
4, 3, 2, 1. I feel bad for the neighborhood right now.
The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 74, effective until...
Oh, come on!
This watch includes the following counties:
You think it's on WX?
Listen for later statements and possible warnings. Continue to know our weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather.
How about sports fans? I was able to get the tornado watch. Just got this alert.
Late clearing, then clearing. In the midst of Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm. Eastern Calhoun County in north-central West Virginia, Randolph County in northeastern West Virginia, Upshur County in northeastern West Virginia, Webster County in northeastern
Come on. This is a big one. I wonder if Bedford EAS is getting this alert. He can get WXM72 fine from his house. Meanwhile, I'll have to de-exit outside. There we go. This is my first Charleston, West Virginia alert. Oh my gosh, what is this? Really? Doubleheader severe thunder? Shut up. Is this going on WX?
County in southern West Virginia. Southeastern Lincoln County in southern in the mid.
I thought it said Albemarle County for a second. I'm like, oh gosh. Come on. Where are you at? Where are you at? There you go.
Temperature, North Carolina, green.
I swear if we get a triple header.
Bailey Lake and Beaver. This includes the following highways: Virginia Turnpike between miles of 28 and 54, Interstate 64, West Virginia between miles of 120 and 137, Route 9.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Thunderstorm warning for the city of Covington, Allegheny County, Virginia, Bath County, until
shoot. This is gonna be near this place headed for Lexington, which is gonna go towards Amherst. Now set off KCZ 28. Swear if we get a severe thunderstorm warning near Staunton, that's going to set off my transmitter. We also got some rotation here. Still waiting, and from the Charleston, West Virginia radar, it looks like it's strengthening in rotation. But if we look at the Blacksburg radar, you can see it is also kind of strengthening in rotation. If we get a tornado warning right here, you scared me there. Goodness, Blacksburg. If we get a tornado warning here, that will set off WXL 60. Oh, look at that. We also kind of a couple here. Something like that. And look at that. There's also kind of, the hail's going down, isn't it? It's more of a wind threat now, and a tornado threat. There's not really hail. Oh my gosh. Tornado on the ground and Warm Springs. Tornado on the ground and Warm Springs. You see that? That may or may not be debris. Okay, so as of right now, the tornado warning is not observed, but there is a tornado signature, meaning the tornado did touch down. I'll show you guys a picture of that right on the screen, right here. So, yeah, as you can see, there is kind of like a debris signature, small debris signature. This is happening as of right now. I do expect it to be observed, but if it's not, if the tornado is... If the National Weather Service does see more of the debris signature on radar, then that might tell them, oh, there's a tornado on the ground. We're gonna put it to observed. So yeah, this thing might go observed. So when I say expect, it's kind of like a 50-50, kind of like 50-50 confidence, something like that. I'm just about to go inside and check it out. Alright everyone, surprisingly, I was correct. The tornado warning is still on the ground I was correct. The tornado warning is still on the ground. The National Weather Service did indeed, and in fact, did see the debris signature from earlier, if I can show that. Here's the debris signature I saw at first, and then I realized, oh, we got a tornado on the ground. And right as that tornado warning was issued, actually no, before that tornado warning was issued, I'm like, wow, we got strong rotation here. I was actually already waiting for that.
warning to be tornado warning. As you can see right here, it is kind of strong rotation. You do have some strong rotation right here. And this path right here, when I saw this part, where is it? Can I find it? When I saw this, I'm like, oh yeah, they're gonna issue a tornado warning definitely. So yeah, this reset the thing. Yeah, here's our debris that I saw at first. And then all of a sudden I hear IonBot pop up. We got tornado warning here. And I rush out the doors to get it. And like I said outside, I did expect them to I did expect them to upgrade the tornado warning to be observed. And what do we have? It is now observed, meaning it is confirmed that we have a tornado on the ground. And right now it does look like it is kind of weakening. Yeah, kind of, I'll be honest, it is kind of weakening right here, but we do have this little couplet right here that is very, very strong. So, yeah. So, yeah, the National Weather Service did see that debris signature, and they were confident enough to upgrade the tornado warning to a observed. And as of right now, there is a new tornado warning for Crawford, Harrison, Perry, Indiana. I don't think I can get that. Oh well. And one more thing. Yeah, this is going to be on the compilation. It's already passed by now. If you're watching this, it's already passed. Yeah, because I'm stuck here in the past. I don't know what has happened. That is a ginormous flash flood warning. Wow, okay. Yeah. But yeah, I'm stuck here in the past. I don't know what happened in the future yet. I don't know if there is any debris so far. I mean, we do have debris right here. I don't know if there's any fatalities yet. I don't know if there's any injuries yet. But when we get that report in the future, that survey in the future, who knows whenever that is, and I'm pretty sure that report was already sent out because I'm talking about the future right now and your guys' time. And yeah, go read it. I think I put it in in my community post. So yeah, that's about it. Wait for that. Anyways, here's the report for the same storm. If you'd like, you can pause and read that. Again. I know this is gonna happen.
Outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Today, Mobile Service is calling free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be seen on the National Weather Service Black Spring Facebook page and Twitter.
Okay, so what happened? I'm distracted by squirrels playing and whatever. So yeah, they issued a new tornado warning. So it's for Greenbrier, and this is Blacksburg's first tornado warning of the day. And what happened? So that tornado warning, that first tornado warning, the one that was observed, actually recycled itself. So what happened was the rotation went away for a little bit. So, and I kept an eye on that same tornado warning, and then later it expired. We didn't see any more rotation, any signs of rotation. All we saw was just storm. I mean, we did see a little bit of rotation. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg did issue a severe thunderstorm warning for Greenbrier because that tornado warning the storm went into Greenbrier County, and that storm decided to strengthen up again, and now we have another tornado warning. Okay, they haven't issued the tornado watch yet, but they just issued a new one, or a new mesoscale discussion, and now they are having confidence, because look at this. There's about to be a new tornado warning in Virginia. That scared me for a second. There's about to be a new tornado warning in Virginia for Augusta, probably for western Bath County, south central. South central. What is this county? South central, whatever county right here. South central, that county, and western. Actually, no. Central Bath County and north and western Augusta County. I'll come back whenever there's a watch or a warning. First warning of the day.
Southern Bedford County, eastern Franklin County, until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:17 p.m. A long line extending from Westlake Corner to near town, moving east.
My page wrong.
Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rocky Mount, Alta Vista, Hurt, Huddleston, Sidnersville, Manita, and Pembroke.
First warning of the day. Wow. I hear some sirens. The fire truck sirens. Tornado watch! Here we go!
Flash flooding is possible. Please visit www.weather.geo.org.
Tornado watch number 87!
Lunenburg, Nottoway, Powhatan, and then Edward. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 87, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Virginia: Amelia, Appomattox, Buckingham, Charlotte,
Doesn't go off for some reason.
Lunenburg, Nottoway, Powhatan, and Prince Edward. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements
It's on.
and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is a statement from the National Weather service. Flood
Weird.
watch in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon.
Okay, now let me tell you guys something special about Tornado Watch number 87. Okay, it's not this particular watch, it's the number of watch.
Information you should monitor.
It's the number of watch, and hold on while let's see if I can fix my WR300. See if that works. Should get good reception like that. I don't know why I didn't activate. Let me tell you something about Tornado Watch number 87. I still don't know why that thing doesn't go off. That was one of the first ever tornado watches I've ever captured in my whole entire EAS career. So let me show you that clip.
It's slower than the warning.
Tornado watch number 87. 87. 87. Effective until 4 p.m.
And
This watch includes the following counties in Florida.
It's Thursday. Good thing they discovered getting phones.
wow. I finally got a tornado watch on my WR100. That is so cool.
So as you can see me running through the hallway in my old house for my WR100, and it was this specific radio. And this is the first one that went off for the watch. Uh-oh. So, that was one of my first ever watches I've ever captured in my whole entire career back in 2019. I believe it was April or July. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys about that. So, yeah.
Are indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Oxford, Warrington, Helena, Middleburg, Gilbert, Afton, Steel Creek Marina and Campground, Kerr Lake, and South Henderson.
Oh boy, guys. This one does not look good at all. After so many touchdowns around my area, we had a few south of me. One right there, and one up here, and one below Cumberland. If I rewind this, see this cell right here? Touchdowns right, it touched, oh, oopsie. It touched down right here. There's a cell. As you can see, small tornado touched down right there. And now it's strengthening, so they're about to pull the trigger. So let's see here. Oh, there's a, whoa, what is this? Huh. Okay, yep, there it is. Told you. Here we go. I can't do that. Tornado warning!
Issued a tornado warning for North Central Immediate County in Central Virginia, Powhatan County in Central Virginia until 3 p.m. At 2:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing.
What did I tell you?
Located over Macon or near Powhatan, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Powhatan and Macon about 2:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Goodwood Store, Flat Rock, Jefferson, Provost, Childs Mill, Subnitz, Pine Creek Mills, Michelle, Bologna, and Lodor. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield.
What did I tell you? And we're about to have another one south of that because of another producing mesocyclone. So we'll wait for that one to go through. That went off. I found out. Naughty. Uh-oh. Ah, darn it. Alright, I'm gonna show this for a little bit. There we go. That's the tornado warning. Now here's the flood warning. Get this to go off. Come on. This for laying.
And other low-lying flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 2:20.
I did not expect a flood warning.
Indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible.
Nice, you said it. Good job.
Some locations that will experience flooding include Fredericksburg, Spotsylvania, Massaponax, Falmouth, Altown, Snell, Hoystown, Chancellorsville, Thornburg, Brokenburg, Cookstown, Gatewood, Logan, Holly Corner,
Okay, that.
Spring Valley, Brookfield.
That's so south of the tornado warning is weakening.
Please visit weather.gov/CC Flood for flood safety and preparedness information
Flood.
around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur
So this for 200. ER10.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service.
Okay.
Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. The areas affected include portions of D.C., including the following: District of Columbia, Maryland, including the following areas: Anne Arundel, Carroll.
Okay, I ended up being wrong. I just came back like 1 second ago. As you can see, that one that... Hold on, let me check Farmville. Okay, they just continued that tornado warning. It's not on the ground. This one might get warned next. It keeps it within the wind shear. Okay, we have a touchdown. Yeah, this is a touchdown. Must be something right here. Oh. Okay, so the north one is strengthening while the south one is... Or the north one is weakening while the south one is strengthening. That's interesting. But you can still see a... Oh, turn on. You can still see a hook... Oh. Correct tornado warning. Okay. It's a correction. Oh. Oh, you forgot? The... You didn't mean... Okay, they didn't mean to do that, I guess. Just new text, something like that. But yeah, this thing's starting to strengthen a bit. North one's starting to weaken.
Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Powhatan, Macon, Goodwin Store, Flat Rock, Jefferson, Provost, Giles Mill, Sublitz, Fine Creek Mills, Michelle, Bologna, Lake Powhatan, and Worshams. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is a statement from the National Weather Service.
Okay.
Watch remains in effect until 6 p.m.
When this thing starts to weaken, probably gonna be a new severe thunderstorm warning here. Crew. Something's happening here in Crew.
Northwestern Northampton County in northeastern North Carolina, southeastern Mecklenburg County, southwestern Brunswick County until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Norlena, Oregon, 8 miles northeast of Warrenton, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado.
I'm actually curious, can I get the tornado warning on Mecklenburg?
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter and Wakefield.
Peterson County, they serve that.
Impacted by this storm include closure. Southeastern Caroline County in north central Virginia, northwestern Henrico County in central Virginia, northwestern William County in east central Virginia, southeastern Hanover County in central Virginia until 3:45 p.m. At 2:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Laurel or near Tuckahoe, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ashland, Mechanicsville, Laurel, Lakeside, and Glen Allen around 3 p.m. Hanover around 3:05 p.m. Nagoya around 3:15 p.m. Blue around 3:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Enfield, Gumtree, Elmont, Etna Mills, Whitworth, Solomon Store, Chamberlain, Effie, Ashkey, and Globe. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Oh boy.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spawn a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.
It's the same storm from Cumberland.
Interior room on the lowest floor of the
My
building.
goodness.
Please report severe weather by calling
7-899-2415.
Posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page or using Twitter and Wakefield. A tornado watch remains.
2-minute limit. Womp womp.
And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service. Issued at 2. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for north central Henrico County, northwestern King William County, southeastern Hanover County until 3:30 p.m. At 3:03 p.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Glen Allen or near Mechanicsville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hanover around 3:10 p.m. Mangahi around 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Enfield, Cowno, Solomon's Store, Chamberlain, Atley, Ashcake, Globe, Pollard's Corner, Hanover Airport, and Etna Knolls. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
I know the CW does something funny.
And Willie, I've known Willie since like back in college days.
So she knew us before Christ, but listen, we're going to talk more about that in a minute. Did you see how I did that? Let's wrap it. Let's wrap it. When we get back, I got more with you.
What the heck was that laugh? Oh my gosh. What the heck? What?
The search is the...
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern King and Queen County, Richmond County, East Central Caroline County, southwestern Westmoreland County, Essex County, until 4 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Dawn to near Mangahick to near Sedley, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near St. Stephen's Church in Newtown around 3:25 p.m. Champlain, Miller's Tavern, Loretto, and Leedstown around 3:35 p.m. Tappahannock and Newland around 3:40 p.m. Warsaw, Montrose, Dunsville, and Center Cross around 3:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Beasley, Three-Way, Hustle, Alavon, Upright, Eastgill, Tidewater, Liels, Crouch, and Kinnard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for north central and east central Virginia. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for central King and Queen County, western Northumberland County, southeastern Richmond County, southeastern Essex County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Center Cross, or 8 miles north of King and Queen Courthouse, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Dunsville, Sharps, and Center Cross around 3:50 p.m. Farnham around 3:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hurricanes, Welford, Village, Upright, Bowler's Wharf, Moon Corner, Downing, Tidewater, and Crouch. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
No way! No way! No way, it's on TV! No way! It's actually on TV! It's actually on TV!
Central King and Queen County, Western Northumberland County, Southeastern Richmond County, Southeastern Essex County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Center Cross, or 8 miles north of King and Queen Courthouse.
Swear, there's another PBS here. Do both PBS relay?
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous.
Let's try that. Okay, no. Or what about this PBS? Oh my gosh, no way, Elsa does.
Tree damage is likely.
Alright, what about this one?
This storm will be near Dunsville. Other
Yeah, they're both relaying.
by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hurricanes, Welford, Village, Upright, Bowler's Wharf, Moon Corner, Downing, Tidewater, and Crouch. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
Dazdeck.
That gets everybody's attention.
You bet it does!
Come here, this is what I get.
Central Virginia, West Central Surrey County, and Southeastern Virginia.
This thing's big.
County and South Central Virginia until 4:45 p.m. At 3:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located.
Oh, Pullman Heights!
Moving at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near, beginning and doing around 4 p.m. Generally around 4:05 p.m. Starts at around 4:15 p.m.
They set off their sirens for severe thunderstorms.
Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Bayside, Virgin Estate, Patterson, Jordan Point Country Club, Warren School, For your prevention, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for South Central.